I'm Katerina Pavenski. I am a hematologist and a transfusion medicine physician at St. Michael's.
I'm Brodie Nolan. I'm an emergency physician and trauma team leader at St. Michael's Hospital.
The number one reason people die from trauma is bleeding. And to fix this, these patients need blood, and they need it fast.
So what we're looking to do is to identify bleeding patients early before they arrive at the hospital.
This research is important because it's going to bring the safest and correct products to the patient who needs it faster. Every minute matters in these circumstances.
This is not just getting blood to them sooner when they arrive, there's also changing the culture for giving them saline or non-blood products before they arrive that can actually worsen their outcomes down the road.
I was born in southwestern Ukraine, which is very close to Transylvania, and the reason this is important is because it was obviously fated that I would be a blood doctor when I grow up. In medicine, I only wanted to do blood because it is such a cool specialty.
I grew up in Kitchener-Waterloo and then moved to Toronto for medical schools. I was actually based out of St. Michael's Hospital, my very first day of medical school. I met my wife here, we had our baby here. It's kind of been St. Michael's, born and raised. I certainly had no interest in being a physician when I was growing up. I think there were a lot of things, I think being a Teenage Mutant Turtle was on there.
At the end of a very stressful and busy day, I actually find solace in hanging out with my kids and listening to their problems and trying to solve their problems.
I love hanging out with my daughter. Like, she's just like so fun and interesting.
That's very nice, Brodie.
We actually met through this project, but now since meeting, we've actually identified
we can work on a lot of grand things.
It's a time to change the current practices that are there.
This is a new chapter of trying to bring care closer to the patient, closer to the site to injury, to deliver better care faster.